Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free app for Android smartphones to track your daily attendance in school, college and office. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and Google says to search for one application named as Dribly by DP Ridayan. On the first list you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases. Just click on it. Just scroll down below again. Now you'll see here Dribly release.apk. So you need to download this apk file. So now just click on open. Click on install. Now once the installation is done, just click on open. Now you can just click on this plus button. Now you can add a subject name. Click on add. You can add more subjects. So let me add some more subjects. So I've added different subjects depending upon my needs. So now just click on this name. Now you can select the respective date and you can select present or absent. So in my case it's present. You can see the percentage. You can move back. Click on this request permission. Click on allow. Now similarly you can click on the other options and similarly you can repeat the same process. Whether you were present or absent, you can select it. So if you want to add the earlier days also, you can just click on the respective earlier days and you can set it. So now you can see present and total, and you can click on the settings icon and here you will get a different options to customize the application. Customization, so you can change the customizations of this, how it looks, and you can change the behavior here. Tons more options here which you can check out by yourself. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free app for Android smartphones to track your daily attendance in school, college and office very easily. So if you never known about the school application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.